Imagine trying to hand a friend a $5 bill, but right before they grab it, an invisible wall pops up. You have to fill out paperwork just to push the money through. That is exactly what sending digital money used to feel like. If you wanted to move money directly between bank accounts, you needed exact coordinates. Track down long account numbers, spell out bank names, and hunt for complicated routing codes. It was like needing someone's precise latitude and longitude just to mail them a letter. Over time, apps like PayPal made this easier, but they added a middleman. Instead of sending money straight to a friend, you were actually loading funds into a digital wallet. You were filling up a bucket, and then your friend has to take that bucket and empty it into their own bank account. The ideal setup wouldn't use a bucket at all. You would want a way to hand someone digital cash directly from your bank to theirs, instantly, at any time of day or night, without paying a single cent in fees. Achieving that direct, middleman-free exchange is exactly what India built. They created a system called the Unified Payments Interface, better known as UPI. UPI strips away all those complex routing codes. Instead of a messy bank account number, you get a simple virtual payment address. Think of it like an email address for your money. Or you can skip that entirely and just use a basic phone number. When you want to pay for something, you open a standard payment app on your phone and scan a QR code. But here is the trick. That app is not holding your money like a digital wallet. It is simply a gateway to a larger system. The moment you hit send, your app talks directly to the NPCI central hub. It instantly pings your bank to ask, does this person have enough money? Once approved, it routes the exact amount directly into the receiver's bank account. Because of this specific architecture, your money never sits in a third-party application. It travels securely and straight from one bank vault to another in seconds. This setup creates some unique benefits. For one, if you have accounts with 3 different banks, you don't need 3 different apps. You can securely link all of them into a single interface and choose which vault to use right at checkout. It also uses a push and pull method for security. You push money outward to make a payment. If a business or a friend requests money from you, that is a pull, and you have to safely approve that request by typing in a secure 2-factor PIN. To keep these rapid transfers secure, the system has built-in daily limits on how much value you can move at once. This is great if you have a smartphone. But it raises a huge question. How does a digital network work for the millions of people in rural areas who might not own one? To solve this, the government created an offline alternative called the Aadhaar-enabled payment system. Using this offline system, a person doesn't need a phone or an app. They can walk up to a local micro ATM, provide their government ID number, scan their thumbprint, and instantly move money from their bank account to someone else's. By pairing smartphone apps for urban centers with biometric ID scanners in rural villages, the system makes it possible for anyone in the country to participate in the digital economy. What makes this whole setup unique is that UPI isn't owned by a private tech company trying to make a profit off your transfers. It is an open piece of national public infrastructure, built specifically to connect every bank in the country. Because it was designed from the ground up as a direct communication layer between banks, it can process massive volumes of transfers in real time, operating faster than many international payment methods. When you pay a friend, the value travels across an invisible, lightning-fast network, moving directly from your pocket to theirs without skipping a beat. By removing the middleman and keeping the friction low, India built a system that makes moving a dollar as easy as sending a text message. If you want to learn more about how systems like this are designed from scratch, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.